Okay guys, today I'm gonna be taking you through Microsoft Office, which is a set of few applications. We're just gonna go through them right now. If you look into here, I'm just gonna open Microsoft Word, and as you can see here, that was too fast for us to read the version that we are running on. I'm just gonna select here blank document, and then we're gonna go to file, and then we go for account. So here you can see that this is Microsoft Office, and these are the applications that are currently installed on my machine. And if you look at the version we are running, it's the Professional Plus 2019. So if you're looking in this order, there's Access, which is mainly used for database, for large information where organizations would store and retrieve data. And you're looking at Microsoft Excel here, which is mostly used to store numbers in tables and used to apply various formulas for intense calculations. And you're looking at here OneNote, which is normally used for free handwriting, really, for sharing of ideas between various individuals. We are looking here at Microsoft Outlook. This is the email version of this Office. You can receive and send emails using whatever account that you have. For instance, if you have got a Gmail, you can set it up here, and then you can receive emails directly onto your laptop instead of having to go to their website every time. Here we've got PowerPoint, which is mainly for presentation, for impressing. Normally when you've got a business idea, you can put it down onto PowerPoint with different slides, and then you can present to your viewers. Then here you've got Publisher, mostly used to design postcards, invitation cards, and so forth for publishing purposes. You have got here Microsoft Word. In terms of Word, this way we generally use to generate to create documents. And then finally you have got Skype, that is also part of my package, but anyway, we're not going to be discussing Skype today. I will be doing a series of videos where I'll be talking in details and teaching you through how to go through most of these applications in order for you to be able to function. So basically you can also customize how you want this to look. I'm just gonna open a Word document also. I'm gonna open Microsoft Word, so I'm just gonna search Word, and there it is. I open it, and I'm gonna click on this blank document. I'm gonna be doing the same thing we did. File, we'll go to account. It shows you the same thing again. So basically you can also customize how you would like this to look. You know, you have got these few changes that you can use. If you choose black, you have got a black mode kind of weight. So but whenever you change here, even when you go for PowerPoint, it's gonna be the same change will apply across all the Windows, the Office packages. So now we can go back again, maybe try to change it to another one, see what happens. You've got the colorful one, which is the default one, and then you've got the black, which we just seen. We've got the grayish one, which we can, you know, have a look. It seems a bit grayish. And then let's go for the next one. You've got one which is white, which is bright, you know, it hurts to the eyes. I would not recommend that. And finally, yeah, that's just about it. I actually like this black one because it's more of a dark mode, if you are to call it. but for this purpose we're just gonna go back and we're gonna keep it, this default colorful, and then we're gonna be taking it from here. So if you are interested in learning these packages, I'm gonna be posting a few videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that we can be getting you more videos. Thank you very much.